C. Chicken. Chicken. C. Chicken. Chicken. Baby chicken is known as chick. Baby chicken is known as chick. Baby chicken is known as chick. Male chicken is known as rooster. Male chicken is known as rooster. D. Dog. 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 Baby dog is known as puppy. G. Goat. Goat. Baby goat is known as kid. Baby goat is known as kid. S. Sheep. Sheep. S. Sheep. Sheep. Baby sheep is known as lamb. Baby sheep is known as lamb. S. Sheep. Sheep. Baby sheep is known as lamb. C. Cow. Cow. Baby cow is known as calf. Baby cow is known as calf. D. Duck. Duck. D. Duck. Duck. D. Duck. Duck. Baby duck is known as duckling. Baby duck is known as duckling. G. Geese, geese. G, G, geese, geese. Baby geese is known as gooseling. Baby geese is known as gooseling. P, P, pigeon, pigeon. Baby pigeon is known as squab. C, C, cat, cat. C, C, cat, cat. Baby cat is known as kitten. Baby cat is known as kitten. Baby cat is known as kitten. R, R, rabbit, rabbit. R, R, rabbit, rabbit. R, R, rabbit, rabbit. Baby rabbit is known as bunny. Baby rabbit is known as bunny. H, H, horse, horse. H, H, horse, horse. H, H, horse, horse. Baby horse is known as foal. Baby horse is known as foal. Baby horse is known as foal. P, 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 partridge, partridge. Partridge baby is known as Chickling. Partridge baby is known as Chickling. S, S, Swan, Swan. S, S, Swan, Swan. Baby swan is known as Cygnet. Baby swan is known as Cygnet. P, pig, pig. P, pig, pig. Baby pig is known as Piglet. Baby pig is known as Piglet.